All right, problem one. We have a situation where we have to find for tax and tip. And step one is going to be to add your percents. Step two, multiply that by your original cost. And step three, compare it to 75 to see if it's enough. Okay, so step one, we're going to add our percents. 100% represents the actual cost plus the 15%, which represents the tip, plus the 6.75%, which represents the tax. If you add all of that together, you're going to get 121.75%, or 1.2175. Okay, now step two, multiply by the original cost. If you do that, you're going to get $73.05. And now if you compare, you can see that $73.05 is less than $75. So when they ask is $75 enough, the answer is yes, $75 is enough. And then you have some to spare. Now in method two, we're going to calculate tax and tip separately, and we have to use the original price both times. At the end, we're going to find the total. Let's go back to step one. We're going to multiply $60 times the 6.75%. By doing that, you get $4.05, and that represents the tax of the original price. Next, we're going to take, and we're going to find the tip from the original price by multiplying $60 times 15%. By doing that, you're going to get a tip of $9. Then you're going to find your total. Your total is your original cost, $60, plus the $4.05 tax, plus the tip, and again, you're going to get $73.05. This is just another method of doing the same kind of thing, and you will get the same answer. When they ask you is $75 enough, yes it is, because $73.05 is less than that. Now we're going to go ahead and look at discount and tax. Discount works differently. You're not going to go back and use the original price for both steps. First, you're going to find the amount of discount and then subtract it from the original price. This will give you your sale price, and it's going to be cheaper. Then you take the new price, which is cheaper, and then you find the tax on that. Let's go ahead and work it out. First, we're going to multiply our $180 by our 15% to find the discount amount. This amount is $27. Next, we're going to subtract 27 away from 180 to find the sale price. Our sale price is $153. Next, we're going to find the tax amount by multiplying our new sale price times the percentage of tax, which is 10%. And by doing that, we're going to get $15.30. Last but not least, we're going to add it up with the sale price to get our sales price with tax. $153 plus $15.30 is equal to our final price, which is $168.30.